Scorpios. All right, Scorpio. So the moon left your sign, Scorpio, and it moved into Sagittarius. All righty. So hopefully, you all, um, when the moon left your sign and moved into Sagittarius, you all had a plan. Put that plan together, Scorpio, to close out any karmic cycles within yourselves around emotions, right? So hopefully you all did that. We're going to jump into your reading and get prepared for the last quarter. That's right. We are still in eclipse season. Yep. We are in eclipse season. All right, Scorpios, let's do it. Let's see what's in your cards. All right. Let's do it. Let's get into it. Let's get right into it. My health is a priority. My body is my temple. There you go. That's right. Body is your temple. So when the moon moves to these zodiac signs, it's a waning gibbous moon. So when the moon affects our feelings, our moods, our emotions, our intuition, our soul, right? So the body is the cyclical. I mean, our moon is cyclical. Um, so as it's waxing and waning, moving through the zodiac signs, you want to make sure you're moving with the rhythms of the moon, right? So it's in Sagittarius when you watch this video. So Sagittarius, Thursday, March 20th, right? So Scorpio rules eighth house. Eighth house. That's right. House of transformation. You're going through a transformation. That's right. Judgment card and the Tower card. Mars and Pluto, right? So Pluto will be in Aquarius for the next 18 years until 2043, right? Let's do it. Let's see what's in your cards. Oh, let's pull a number first, because I know a lot of you all are looking for signs, right? Let's see what's looking for signs. All right. So that number on the bottom. Let's see what's. So my health is a priority. My body is my temple. Talking to you wherever Scorpio is in your birth chart, including my cross watchers. So not just your sun, moon, rising, and Venus, but wherever Scorpio is in your birth chart. If you've been tuned into my channel for quite some time, I'm talking to you wherever Scorpio is in your birth chart. So please, I try to encourage people to pull your birth chart. I really want you all to really get in tune with your birth charts. I have an entire birth chart series on my second channel. It's called the Knowledge Channel. The link is below. There's information on the second channel as well. Go check it out. This is a general reading, so take on only what resonates with you. If you're interested in a personal reading, QueenAmunRa.com. Go check it out. We also have burning bowls. You can reach out to me. My number is below in the description if you want to get a burning bowl. 111 screenshot. So pause your thinking and hit the reset button. So this is cool because we have a solar eclipse coming up on March 29th in Aries, and you and Aries rule Mars. I mean, you all are ruled by Mars, and Mars is a tower card, and solar eclipse, a partial solar eclipse. So yeah, that's Mars, right? So, and a solar eclipse is reset, right? So reset. So lunar eclipse is letting go, and solar eclipse is reset. So anyway, so this is good, perfect. So pause your thinking and hit the reset button. So think of the universe as taking a screenshot of your frame of mind right now. Everything that is going on, all of your thoughts, feelings, goals, and dreams are going to be replicated. So get on a high vibe quickly so you can manifest your best life moving forward. Recall a positive memory that stirs an emotion such as love, peace, and or gratitude right now in full and living color. Yeah. So source is asking you and somebody to step to these pillars right here. This is a master number 1-1. So you and somebody to step through these two pillars here. Yeah. to become enlightened about something. So this is crown chakra. Crown chakra. So it's to become unified, to step into the light, to become enlightened about something. All right. Screenshot in your mind. Something very positive. Something very positive. To hit a reset button. So yeah, that is like I said, crown chakra. Adjust your crowns. All right, let's get into it. All right, let's get into it. So when the moon is in Sagittarius, what's affected is your liver, your hips, your thighs, and then it'll be moving into Capricorn. Your backbone, your joints, your knees, your skin, and hair could be affected, right? Somebody may have been carrying around a lot of emotions on their back. I feel like somebody may need to go get a massage. I don't know why I'm saying somebody may need to go get a massage. Like somebody's back may be. Yeah. This is what I've been seeing in the spirit realm. I've been like feeling like somebody has been like they've been climbing up the side of a mountain, like trying to, like carrying a sack of something on their back, like carrying a lot of emotions, like their back has been hurting. I don't know who that's for. Here we have the Five of Wands here, like being baited into something, but just kind of carrying something on their back, like they're having back problems. I don't know who that's for. Really just kind of like almost like being inspired to work harder than they really have to. Like being preyed upon. Like to work harder than they have to work harder. And Source is saying you don't have to work that hard. I mean, like it's just like somebody's working harder than they have to work. Yeah, somebody's working harder than they have to work. And instead of just being a prayer warrior, it's like literally the devil is making somebody work harder than they have to work. Here's the Page of Pentacles here. Just to have a whole new lease on life. Somebody's working harder than they have to work. Going through all of this just to go. Yeah. Here we have the Ace of Swords here. Yeah. Here's the Two of Wands here. Somebody has so many windows of opportunity that lies ahead. It's one energy. It's like Source is saying, close out a cycle. It's like Source is saying, Source is saying, close out a cycle. You know what it is? It's the devil is very crafty, and it's like basically saying, Source is saying, just stop talking to one person. It really is that. It's like it's almost like it's hard for somebody to just stop themselves. So it's just saying, it's like, you know, because the devil is crafty. It's kind of put me in the mindset of like you keep going back over and over and over again in your mind, and Source is giving you every. You know, okay, this is what this is giving me, Scorpio. It's like somebody has two friends. One of your friends is easy for you to stop talking to. For real. That's what this is. It's like it's easy for you to stop talking to. Because it's like two friends that could be like family for you all. Let's say they are family. They could be. Or one could be like, well, let's say friends / family. Let's just call them family. Maybe they blood relatives, maybe not. Because Venus is retrograde and Mercury is retrograde. So, um, so when Venus is retrograde, Venus will expose enemies, but Venus will also expose hidden enemies, right? And that's the part that trips a lot of people up. Venus, so the enemy part, that's the easy part. So Venus will expose an enemy. So you like, oh, okay, that's the enemy. Okay, that's easy. Let me whip out the sword. Snip, snip, I'm done. It's the enemy, the hidden enemy part, the devil, which is crafty, that is hard for some people to cut off, because that's the energy that will come to you, and the calmness. That's the enemy that'll come to you in um the y'all know what I'm trying to say, like in the movies, like the I don't know how to really word it. This energy betrays you. This energy betrayed you. This energy betrayed you. And source is saying to you, this energy set in your face, and this energy betrayed you. I mean, I can't say any other way. And you have physical evidence that the energy betrayed you. You have physical evidence that this energy betrayed you. And this energy is sitting in your face, Scorpio, and they betrayed you. You have physical evidence that they betrayed you. And so when you think about 11th house, and you're talking about your future with somebody, because 11th house speaks to your future, like creating a future with this energy and bringing this energy around, like you're aware of something, and like bringing this energy around your friends, and making this energy a part of your community, and bringing this energy around, you know. For some of y'all, this should be a no-brainer. Like, but because it's devil energy, some of you all are still just kind of like, I'm not really sure. I want to introduce this energy to certain energies, and sources like, what the heck? You want to do what? Come again? You for real confused? Okay. Maybe I'm gonna need to so when we're talking about Ace of Swords here, Ace of Swords is motive. Like, maybe I'm gonna need you to sit down and go back through your memory bank again, so you can hit the reset button. Does energy work with your enemy behind your back to do something to you? 3 of them did something behind closed doors to do something to you in order for them to have this whole new lease on life. It was 3 of them. So that they can have a whole new lease on life. And so source is trying to tell you, like, do you really need somebody to say to you, you know, like on those shows, like on those reality TV shows, let me bring you into a room, let me bring some people here, and let me show you this is what this energy did, so that you can see it. No. Recently, this energy said that they would have your back with something, right? This energy recently said that they would have your back, just like somebody said that they would have their back. This energy said that they would have your back. And they didn't. They didn't. So you're on the rebirth side of something. You're on the rebirth side of something. So it's time for you to take a leap of faith. Time for you to take a leap of faith and move on from these energies. Then who does have your back, though? Who does have your back? Looking at your cards here. Who really, really has your back is you have a loved one on the... Well, it's like a combination of loved ones. Who has your back is... Because you found your North Node. You found your North Node. Your North Node is your 10th house, right? Your North Node is your calling, your inner calling, right? You found your North Node. You have this whole new lease on life. There's expansion out here for you. And that's what Source is trying to tell you, is that you motivate a lot of people. It's time to close out the cycle. You're a highly responsible energy. You have this quiet strength. You inspire and motivate a whole lot of people. You have your own back. You're on your throne. You inspire and motivate a lot of people. You don't have any competition. And once you realize that you were competing with the person in the mirror the whole time, right? And you were being used as a pawn in someone else's game, and the very energies that said they would have your back, when it was time to have your back, these energies bailed out. They ran, and you had to go back through your mind and realize, oh my God, wow. It's time to give something a rest. So say it's time to give something a rest. So money is coming across your path. But you won't be going backwards to something that did not, something did not produce the results that you thought it was going to produce. This is a 9 of Wands here. You and somebody are back in center stage again. Yeah, something didn't produce the results that you thought it was going to produce. You and somebody are back in center stage again. Yeah, somebody was obsessed. Two people were obsessed. Two people were obsessed with sacrificing someone that they said that they loved. Yeah, two people were obsessed with sacrificing somebody that they said they loved. And this right here should speak in volume to a whole lot of people. because meek does not, because meek does not equate to weak at all. So let's see what else we got going on here. Let's see what else we got going on here. Because the karma has already started. Anything for fame. Two energies will have done anything for fame, but the karma has already started. So yeah, there are three energies looking at the cards here. Where's the card? Where is it? Yeah, three energies. Yeah. Justice. Nine of Cups. So, a lot of wishes are coming true. Lots of wishes are coming true. There's a rebirth happening here. There's a rebirth happening here. Here we have the Chariot card here. Here we have the King of Swords here. Who is this? 4. I see a breakthrough happening here. I see a breakthrough happening here. So knowledge was gained. I feel like, okay. I don't know who I'm talking to when I say this, but I feel like somebody wanted justice for I feel like Scorpio, you've had some time to sit and look at something. Because I'm looking at 5 and 2 of Wands, and I feel like you had some time to sit down and look at how ruthless some people can be. Because they were baited into something that they fell for. I feel like you were testing somebody. That's what I'm seeing looking at the cards here. Because I'm seeing pause, and you're thinking and hitting the reset button, right? So I feel like you were seeing how unified some people were. I feel like you were the one giving some people the test. Seeing what people would do. So your wishes came true. Somebody figured something out. They moved on, and they moved on to the King of Swords, right? Somebody figured it out. They gained a lot of knowledge on the ledge right here. Knowledge. They became a lot. They figured it out. Somebody had a breakthrough. They moved on. That they were being used as a pawn in the game. They moved on, right? Inner happiness, all of that, and they won, right? While the two other energies that fell for, the two other energies fell because they wanted fame so bad. They wanted to be on center stage so bad. They just wanted a new lease on life, literally a lease. They just wanted money so bad. They actually threw themselves into a karmic cycle. Anyway. Alright. So 8 of Wands. Yep. So, child. One big mess. Alright. One big old mess. So public face. Follow your heart. It's okay to be yourself. I'm seeing some kind of investment. You're an alchemist, guardian angel, duality here, moving on up. Winning, transformation here, helping hand, foresight. Heart path. Here we have forge a new path. Remember who you are. Whatever you wish, let go. You will get there. Embodiments. Pursue happiness. So I see you pursuing happiness. So the source really wants you to get off the fence. You and somebody to get off the fence and step through into the lights. Step into the lights. Step into the light of your rebirth. That is what I have for you. Hopefully this has been helpful. Hopefully this has been helpful. All right.